Each one of us aspire to grow in life, in the various aspects of our life. We can grow our knowledge through education, through learning, and especially this era of digital age. We grow in our wealth, savings, from investment, from businesses, and also to grow in our professional life and career, and also our personal growth. Personal growth is something that we may not often think about. However, it is the foundation of who we are as a person, our potentiality, our giftedness, our capacity for joy, for peace, for happiness, grow into who we are as persons and individuals can give us a lot of fulfillment in our life. Personal growth is a process and it needs to be nurtured as how we have perhaps already invested efforts and time in other aspects of our life. Likewise, we take time and effort for personal growth. It's a bit like growing a plant. We need certain conditions for growth: good soil, sufficient rain and water, care for the plant, pruning, weeding, fertilizing, a conducive environment, good temperature, sun and shade, because different plants have different needs. Likewise, us different individuals have different needs. The plant and us can grow well and healthily. So to grow, we need to invest the effort to connect with ourselves, our capacity, our gifts, our qualities, and to live them often, to act them out so that we can sense this life in me can grow. For example, if I'm good at cooking, I learn to create more dishes. In doing so, I am able to live my creativity and what I love. And through the action of creating more dishes, I can have a sense that I live this gift. Also, we learn to connect with our deep life, to take time to connect with ourselves, to care for ourselves with good food, for meditation and so forth. And also, in our relationships, we learn to have healthy boundaries. We learn to stand up and assert ourselves respectfully. And all this, we can have a sense that we can live more and more our capacity, the person that I am. And like the plants, we eventually will grow and we are able to bloom beautifully. We become strong and rooted in our strength. We can have a sense that we have openness towards life and we become more solid within. We become stronger. We can have more resilience towards difficulty and hardship that comes our way. We are more autonomous before others and we learn to make good decisions for ourselves and for our professional life. And more we can have a sense that we are leading a life that is meaningful for us, purposeful for us, and also for our family and in the society that we live in. So I invite you to take the time to look at your personal growth, to invest in your personal growth so that we can grow into who we are. We can grow a life that is meaningful for us. We can grow in our strength, in our capacity to be. So I would like to end with a quote from Andre Rocher, founder of PRH. We learn a lot of things, however, we do not learn enough about how to live according to our being and be comfortable and happy in our own skin. So if you're needing support or help with embarking on a personal growth plan, feel free to contact us and follow us and subscribe us on our social media channels, on our YouTube NEPRH, on our Spotify, Instagram and Facebook.